Hello students, welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Rayat online program. Today we are going to learn new concept, that is division. In the last class we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, addition with carryover, subtraction by borrowing, multiplication with lattice method. Today we are going to learn division. The word division itself gives us meaning or tells us that dividing. Division means dividing. Before that, I will explain by giving one example. See this picture. You have four candies. You have four candies. Share with your friend equally. You are going to share with your friend equally. How will you share? Two sets of candies, two each. Means you divided 4 candies into 2. 4 candies into 2. See one more example. Here are 9 marbles. And 9 marbles, how will you put them equally in 3 boxes? So let us see. First, we will put 1 in each box. So 6 marbles are left. Again we will put 1 in each box. Now 3 marbles are left. Now again we will put 1 in each box. So no marbles left now. So we have divided 9 marbles into 3 groups. So 9 is divided by 3, means each box is having 3 marbles. So, division is nothing but breaking up of number in equal number of parts. It can also be said division is repeated subtraction. See, multiplication is repeated addition and division is totally opposite of multiplication, that is repeated subtraction. The symbol of division is like this. Here downside it is given. In the division, these terms will come: dividend, divisor, quotient. When we divide, the dividend will come here below the line, divisor will come, and quotient. Now I will explain what are these terms. Dividend means the dividend is the number of you are dividing up. Divisor is the divisor number you are dividing by. Quotient is the answer. For example, 28 divided by 2, here 14 is answer. Dividend is 28, divisor is 2, 14 is quotient. Let us see here. 15 divided by 3 will get 5. So 15 is dividend, 3 is divisor and quotient is 5. We have to arrange in this way and we have to divide. 3 5s are 15. Here again you can see number which we are writing, which is dividing up, we will write here, that is called dividend. Number dividing by we will write here in the green place, it is called divisor. Where answer will go, it is we will write in yellow place, that is called quotient. So in this way these three terms are there. Other than that, one more term is there in division, that is remainder or leftover. Now here for example 9 divided by 4, if we arrange 9 is dividend, 4 is divisor. So if we multiply 4 into 2, we will get 8. We have to see the table of 4, which is the nearest number to the 9, we have to take that number. So 8 is the nearest, 4 2s are 8. We have to subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. For example, if 9 candies are there, cookies are there, and we will distribute 2 each, 4 persons are there, 2 each, 1 will remain, means 1 will left over here. It is called remainder. So these are the terms in division. See here again one more example is there. 23 is divided by 5. In 5's table we will check whether 23 is there. No. Then nearest to 23. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 25 is bigger than 23. So we will take 5 multiplied by 4, we will get 20. That 20 we will right down side and we will minus it. 23 minus 20 will get 3. Here 23 is dividend, 5 is divisor and 4 is quotient and 3 is remainder. Thank you.